overthinking and overanalyzing starts to drain your energy significantly, disturbs your sleep, or increases your anxiety, it may be the time to start learning how to let go. Hi, and welcome to Sense of Synergy channel. I'm Carolina, and I'm a hypnopsychotherapist, mindfulness teacher, and I have almost 10 years of working experience in the mental health sector. Over the years, I've supported countless individuals towards better mental health and well-being. And today, I'm bringing those insights and tools with me to this channel. So if you're interested in topics like personal growth and development, make sure you stick around with me. In this series, I'll walk you through 9 mindfulness attitudes. Mindfulness attitudes are more than just ideas. They're guiding principles and ways of approaching and relating to yourself, others, your experiences, and the world around you. Have you ever noticed how much energy you spend on holding things together? Holding on to worries, thoughts, expectations, or that need to know for sure how things are going to turn out. And sometimes it's not the situation itself that exhausts us, it's how tightly we're holding on to it. And this is where our next mindfulness attitude comes in: letting go. At the heart, letting go means not holding on to things, especially things that diminish us, restrain us, limit us, or quietly drain our energy. And these things can be external, right? So things like relationships that we're in, certain environments or responsibilities that we may have. But equally, they can be internal things like our thinking patterns, our beliefs, whether conscious or subconscious, the way we respond and approach stress or our own emotions, or even things like persistent need to always feel in control of every situation that happens. Letting go is not about toxic positivity. It's not about trying to convince yourself that everything's fine when it clearly isn't. It's also not about denial or ignoring your emotions. It's not about telling yourself that things don't affect you or that you're not feeling a certain way when you actually are. It's not about suppressing how you're feeling or ignoring your inner experiences. The mindfulness attitude of letting go is about acknowledging things as they are, even when they're stressful, challenging, or uncomfortable. It's adopting a mindset where, without denying this, we can also not be controlled by it. So it's like two things can be true. Something can be challenging or stressful, but it does not need to fully control us and occupy our whole mind space. So it's an active choice to not give that extra control and power to things that may be limiting us or diminishing us. In mindfulness meditation, we use letting go a lot, because whenever your mind gets distracted, we can notice that, we can capture that moment when it gets distracted, and we choose to let go of it to return our attention and awareness back. And the same principle applies to our everyday life. We can notice our thoughts, our emotions, or how situations affect us without getting stuck on them or hooked into them or becoming absorbed by them. And here are your 3 ways in which you can practice letting go in your everyday life. Number 1, let go of the urge to control. If you have a tendency to overanalyze, overthink, and ruminate about different situations, replaying conversations over and over again, or worrying about things that haven't even happened yet, or feeling super uneasy when something feels uncertain, this exercise can be really, really helpful. Overanalyzing is often your mind's way of trying to get a sense of control or certainty. And there's nothing wrong with that. Both of them are natural and normal human needs. But when this habit of overthinking and overanalyzing starts to drain your energy significantly, disturbs your sleep, or increases your anxiety, it may be the time to start learning how to let go. When you notice yourself getting stuck in these mental loops, gently pause and offer yourself a reminder. Here are some examples, but feel free to come up with your own. I don't need to control everything. I let go of expectations. I can adapt to whatever comes my way. Number 2, release your body's tension. Our experiences of stress and intense emotions don't just affect our mind, they also get stored in our body and they accumulate over time. Our muscles constrict and tighten, our posture changes, and tension accumulates in our tissues. And because our mind and body are so connected, letting go of that tension and accumulated stress in your body is a massive part of letting go. Stretching your body, doing yoga, practicing relaxation exercises can all be effective methods of letting go of that tension in your body. And there's also a really powerful tool that you can do yourself in a couple of minutes that teaches your nervous system the difference between holding on to tension and letting go of it. And that's progressive muscle relaxation. So try this with me now. You can close your eyes or keep them open, whatever feels more comfortable and whatever helps you to focus more. Put your attention on your toes and tense up and squeeze the muscles in your toes for about 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. Remember to only tense up to a point that feels comfortable and not painful for you. And do this twice with each area of your body. So tensing up for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and release. Now slowly move upwards on your body through your feet, legs, stomach, back, shoulders, and face. And each time you release the tension, carefully stay with that sensation. Feel your body releasing. Feel the relief of tension. Notice what it feels like to just let go. Number 3, let it flow. Finally, one of the most accessible tools to help you let go of things is your breath, because your body knows naturally how to let go. Sometimes you just need to create the conditions and give it permission to do that. So here are 2 very simple breathing practices that you can use. Practice number 1. Observe your breath without trying to change it. Just stay present throughout the inhale and throughout the exhale. See if you can put as little effort as possible into the exhale. Don't control your chest or your stomach or how much you're breathing out. Literally allow your body to breathe out on its own. And just notice the sensation of giving your body the permission to do that on its own. Letting go and releasing of the breath on its own. This practice sounds really simple, but it's surprisingly challenging to give up that control over the breath. Practice number 2. Try an extended exhale. Breathe in for 4 and breathe out for 6. If you feel really comfortable with this ratio, you may even try breathing out for 8. You can breathe out through pursed lips or make the exhale audible. By extending the exhale, you emphasize the sensation of release in the body. An extended exhale activates our parasympathetic nervous system that helps us to feel calmer and more relaxed. And as you're breathing out slowly for 6 or 8, you can even visualize the air leaving your body as anything that no longer serves you. Hopefully you found these practices and techniques helpful and accessible. And let me know in the comments down below which one you're going to give a go in your everyday life. If you're interested in finding new ways to improve your health and well-being, you can get access to my free webinar, You Are How You Breathe, which talks everything about breathwork and breathing techniques. All you need to do to get access to this webinar is go to my website, www.senseofsynergy.com, leave your email address there, and I'll send a link to your inbox. If you've enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up or even send it to someone who you think needs a little mindfulness today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and for being here. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.